So now we have a slope field that includes both x and y. So we have to keep in mind each coordinate. Now what you could do is pick every single coordinate and plug in x and y to see what your slope would be and use that for your sketch. I'm going to use a little bit of that, but as well as recognizing that my slope equals 0 when x equals negative y. So when x and y are opposites, our slope is 0. So that's at 0, 0, 1, negative 1, 2, negative 2, negative 1, 1, and negative 2, 2. So I've got my 0 slopes in. So now I'm going to go down my axis, right? So when, m equals x, when y is 0. So y is 0 down the x-axis. So that means my slope's going to be 1, and then 2, then it's going to be negative 1, and then negative 2. So now I know m equals y when x is 0. So x is 0 up the y-axis, so that's 1, and then 2 should be more steep. Negative 1, and then negative 2 should be more steep. So now I'm going to use coordinates, right? So 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 plus 2 is 4. So I'm just trying to make my slopes relative to one another. So here, negative 1 plus 2 is 1. Here, negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1. Let's go down here in a different color. Here, negative 1 plus negative 1 is negative 2. Negative 1 plus negative 2 right here is negative 3. Here, negative 2 plus negative 1 is negative 3, and negative 2 plus negative 2 is negative 4, steeper than negative 3. And then last but not least, over here, 2 plus negative 1 is 1, and 1 plus negative 2 is negative 1. So you see I'm doing the math and then trying to estimate the slopes along the way.